My dearest child, you were different from a very early age. A part of you already knew that there was more to life than what was being passed on to you, which is why you always felt the need to step out of line and explore more of what life could offer. In doing so, you took tests and lessons that most others avoid. The healing and growth you have endured sent a ripple effect through your past and into your future. Be proud of the obstacles you took on. You and your life are better because of it. Type yes if you agree. Trust that decisions you are making are the right ones. They are bringing you into alignment with what you fully deserve. The right people and situations will present themselves to you when you least expect it. Leave the battle of the last few months behind. It's onward and upwards from this point forward.